Harmony Meetup 5, Yerevan, Armenia, guys, day 2. We are here at the Softconstruct office. We're about to go through for the entire tour. Guys, they got champagne on deck. What a greeting as soon as we come on through. Drinks, and we're also gonna be having some food later on for lunch. Stay with us, guys. One for the books. Having a great time in Armenia so far. Shout out to the entire team again. Thank you for having us. Let's go. Check out all of the awards behind me, guys. The roster that they have won is absolutely insane over the years, guys. Again, shout out Softconstruct, BFTH, Fastex, the entire team, guys. Look at this. Harmony Meetup 5, Yerevan, Armenia. We are here at the office, guys. I am with a super special guest. As you know, we see Lily all around the world for all of the conferences and events that we attend. Lily, how are you doing today?
Absolutely amazing. I'm so happy to be here in Armenia and so happy to see you as always.
Yes, absolutely. How are you enjoying your time in Armenia in general? Is it your first time here or have you been here before?
No, I have been here once before and every time it blows my mind. I travel the world and I'm like, guys, come to Armenia. Like, people are amazing, the treatment. We're VIPs anyway, but this is like the VIP right now. So I absolutely love it. It's incredible.
Yes, I completely agree with you, Lily. I'm having a fantastic time here in Yerevan. Softconstruct, BFTH, Fastex are taking the best care of us, guys. Top-notch hotels, drinks, food, vibes, the people. Absolutely immaculate hospitality, guys. Now, Lily, we got a crazy event coming up tonight. The BFTH ARENA AWARDS. Oh my goodness, this is one of the biggest events in the world, guys. Lily, what can we expect for this event?
I mean, I can't give too much away. I think it's just expect the unexpected. It is going to be incredible. I'm so excited. I'm going to be the host. So I'm going to be bringing the energy. Nikki's going to be sat there just cheering along as well. Yeah, I want to hear all the cheers. We're going to have the best time.
Oh yeah. Stay tuned for that, guys. It's going to be a big one. We'll see you tonight. Cheers.
See you there, Nikki.
Just about to start the office tour, guys. I got RP with me. She is the marketing manager of Creed Rooms. RP, are you ready to do this?
Yeah, of course. We're going to walk around our live casino and then we'll come back to our office and you'll see our beautiful office.
Stay tuned, guys. This is going to be lit. Exclusive content inside of their office. Yerevan, Armenia. Let's go. So RP, we just went to go see the Creed Rooms live area where you guys are dealing some games. Where are we off to now?
Right now we are going to Fast Media. It's Fast Sports. It's a first Armenian sports channel which broadcasts all the top Champions League, like UEFA Champions League, NBA, all top leagues. So right now we'll go there and you'll see everything yourselves.
Oh yeah, stay tuned, guys. The tour continues. Check out this massive sign behind me, guys. Softconstruct. That is the main brand, as you know, everything under it. BFTH, Fastex, the whole ecosystem, guys. We're out here with Anna. Anna, where are we going now?
We are going to our studio where we do our live broadcasts and shoot our programs.
Okay. Eager to see this, guys. Let's go.
Our live broadcastings. Also, we shoot our programs here. So it is a multi-purpose studio with 4 different areas and also it is fully automated. We have here is our special sports program corner. It's for our pre-match shows, discussion shows, primetime shows. Here is our news corner. As you can see, it's our news setup at the background. Here we have our morning show corner. It's called Start. During the season, every morning at 10 a.m. it's live. And also the 4th corner is for our in-house shootage programs. So it's Match of the Week, dedicated to highlight matches of the Armenian Premier League week. We are our football, dedicated to the history of Armenian football. 5 Talk is also being shooted here. The studio is fully automated, as I mentioned, and during the live broadcasting or the shooting, nobody is involved in the process. So everything is being controlled from a control panel, which we will see next. Above our heads here, we have our 360-degree camera, which we use to implement holograms and 3D graphics into our broadcasts. So for the Champions League finals, we had a nice Champions League star ball, holograms of the club logos, holograms of the statistics on this side when we were having the discussion on the match statistic during the halftime break. Also, we are using it to have a nice smooth 360 shot all over the studio. For the finals, we are having the full setup, so each area is being simultaneously used for one broadcast, and for that one, we are having a smooth shot all over the studio.
This is crazy, guys. Look at the amount of money, time, and detail that they put into this place. Immaculate.
I must especially notice that this one screen is 21-meter long curved one. So this piece is our 3D graphic and animation department especially works on the backgrounds and animation on this one because no standard size fit this one. That is a great thing, and also all of the animations and graphics you see in the studio, they are created by our team as well.
Wow, shout out to the FAST team. Crazy.
We use very high definition presets and input it into the program. So we cannot put it without the preset.
Okay.
So here's the backgrounds, pillars, LED screens, and the lights. Next up is the live signal, commentary synchronization, lights, in-ear connection to the host. This one is 360-degree camera control, prompter control. Next room is the sound control and the live, non-live broadcast control room. We can go there. But from here, we control the broadcasting. So 3 TV channels, 3 operators, 3 schedules, and 1 operator for the OTT platform. Our program is maximally automated, so we can pre-schedule our broadcasting up to 7 days prior to the initial broadcast. So the human error factor is minimized as much as possible. On the bottom line, you can see the clean feed, which we receive from the venue. Afterwards, we implement all of the match graphics, TV graphics, channel logo as well. And on the topmost line, you can see what the viewers see. Usually on the weekends, we are having like 50, 60 simultaneous matches. So it's lots of content. And of course, we cannot allocate all of them on 3 TV channels. And everything which is not allocated on TV channel goes to the OTT platform, where we have dedicated sports section with diversification with championships or sports types. So it's rather football, tennis, racing, horse riding, shooting, etc. Or by the championships, so it's Champions League, Europa League, whatever you prefer. Or we have a live section. You can click live and see what is live and choose from there. And also all of the lives are available as a VOD for our subscribers as well. So if you didn't catch the match, you can watch a replay as well.
Nice.
So here's the commentary booths. They are fully soundproofed. As you can notice, my voice sounds very differently from here, and whenever the door is closed, it is fully soundproof. Usually 1 or 2 commentators are watching the clean feed directly from the venue without any delay, live commenting the match, and afterwards their live commentary is being synchronized with the picture. TV graphics are implemented, and then it goes to live. For the satellite signal, usually it's like from 3 to 5 seconds delay. For the streaming signal, from 10 to 15 seconds delay, depending on the signal type and from the area that we receive the signal.
Cool.
Of course, for the big events, let's say for the finals, we are having a dedicated crew on site at the venue who is covering all of the event from there with all the excitement, energy, and drive from the fans.
Nice. Wow. You guys got OBS here too. That's what I used to shoot my videos.
Come with their dedicated programs. It's magazine program, highlights program, special season review, preview programs. And as we cannot broadcast them in their original language, we translate them and adapt them into Armenian. And everything is being performed in our dubbing studio, which we will see next. All of These people are legends of sports. Yerevan, is USSR gold medal champion of weightlifting. We have here NBA legends, Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, LeBron James. Of course, here we have UFC gold medalist champion of lightweight Viktor Chinyan, Arthur Abraham, and USSR gold medalist of athletics Albert Azaryan. Of course, chess grandmaster Tigran Petrosyan as well. All of the voiceover job is done here. Again, fully soundproof booth with some glass as well. Whenever somebody is reading the script, reading the text, is directly being implemented into the program, and then our voice editor is editing the clip, and the ready-made file is put on our server, and from whatever the news department, production department, or whatever department needs it, just take the file and implement it to the video, whatever they need. Sometimes when we are having like news, so 4 times a day we have our live news column. It's very hectic because last minute they have some news they want to add to the column, and they are like quickly reading it, editing it, and then putting on the server.
I see. Very cool.
Hosting, and we can see our wardrobe next. This is our wardrobe. Here you can see dedicated sections for all of the programs. Each program has its hosts, and each host has his own attire, from jackets, shirts, trousers, sneakers, socks, everything.
Wow. Look at all this gear, guys. Crazy. Every suit color of the rainbow, every shirt, the shoes. And it's lunchtime, guys. Check out all of this amazing food that Softconstruct has prepared for us. There is everything from kebabs to rice to pizza, croissants, dolmas, you name it, guys. We got it right here. I'm about to fill my belly. Let's go. Wrapping up the Softconstruct office tour, guys. We had an absolute great time. They took us all around. We got to see their live casino game streaming downstairs as well. That was 3 floors, guys. And then we went upstairs and checked out where they're filming all of their TV shows. Fast TV. They had dressing rooms up there. All kinds of historical posters. What an amazing office, guys. I gotta say, there's a full security team here. There's drinks, there's food, there's cafeterias. We got absolutely spoiled, guys. We had a great time. So tonight, where we're gonna be at is the BFTH Arena Awards at the Devin Music Hall. And again, guys, this is one of the biggest award shows in the world. So stay tuned with us. It's gonna be hype. Cheers. And the main event of Harmony Meetup 5, guys, BFTH Arena Awards, Yerevan, Armenia 2024. Guys, we're just about to head on to the red carpet. Follow me through. Let's go. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.